Diablo.
This shit never fucking happens, but if we're gonna do this shit, we do it the right motherfucking way, man. Fuck that, Phoenix. Like it never happened. Frustrated, underestimated, can't sleep. Mind racing hard to stay concentrated. Foreign towns, missing home. Please don't forget about me, tell the story. All the glory, fuck what they say about me. So out of place with all these fake people in my face. I cannot relate. Hey. Like I create and they just take everything I make, turn around and then hate. Maybe I was living off expectations. I was born in the wrong generation. That's probably hit me while I'm crushing weed overseas. Hopefully tonight will find more. Long days on tour, backstage getting bored. To step on stage and they roar. I fell in love with a very bad habit, but I feel alive for the very first time. I don't wanna die, but I don't wanna hide or keep shit inside. I will not cry, so I deal while I deal with it. Deal with it. I wanted, I was paid, still counting. Save me from these daydreams about it. Formal, I swim, tattoo. I can't stay these fucking rules. I've been sailing through the long, cold water. Restrain me from the pills and more that was erase me from the cage. See, I fell in love with a very bad habit, but I was alive for the very first time. You said goodbye when I was trying to say something ain't right inside of me. I wanna run away, I want to run away, yeah. I don't wanna stay, superstar, fuck that, leave it up to fate. Hey, we are who we are, so don't judge me. Just cause it's hard to smile. Read between thin white lines, see what's in my mind.
I fell in love with a very bad habit. I was alive for the very first time.
You said goodbye, I was trying to say
Something ain't right inside of me.
Hey Phoenix, I don't know why shit happened today like it happened today, but it was all supposed to be for a fucking reason, so I'll tell you like this. You can say